Hi friends, Brooke here, creator of BrookeAlexandra.tv, and thank you again for joining me for the Resolution Changemakers Challenge 2016. Today we're going to be diving into something that's very important, and it can be very simple to change these around if you don't have them the way you want them in your life. And these are priorities. Priorities are how you spend your time. Think about that. Priorities are not what you want to be spending your time doing. Priorities are not your pipe dreams and the things that you see in your future. Priorities are exactly what you're doing every day. They may not be what you want as your priorities, but how you're spending your time is what you're prioritizing. I'm going to give you a 3-step process to reset your priorities. First, how are you spending your time? Are you spending your time more in your relationships, more with your career, more with your home, more with lazy endeavors like watching television and browsing the internet? What is it that you're actually spending your time on? And this is going to give you what your current priorities actually are. Next is to assess how satisfied you are, how fulfilled is what you're doing on a daily basis actually making you? Are you getting satisfaction? Are you feeling happy? Are you feeling fulfilled with the way that you're spending your time, with the way that you're laying out your days, with how you're giving your energy to the world? Does that satisfy you? Does that fulfill you? And if not, it's time to change the focus. Next is to set new priorities. Ask yourself these questions. How am I spending my time? How do I want to be spending my time? What do I want to be spending less time on? How satisfied am I with how I'm spending my time? Ask yourself these questions and then set up new priorities for yourself. One of the best ways I know to change your priorities or to be clear on your priorities is to make a list every night before you go to bed. And this will be our challenge. We're going to be making a list of our top priorities for tomorrow specifically. Now again, I want you guys to keep these going and really saturate yourself because these tools and techniques are what's going to help you create real lasting change, reach your goals, and design the lifestyle that you truly deserve and desire. So ask yourself, what areas need more attention? Does your relationship with your partner need more attention? Does your relationship with yourself need more attention? Whether it's having quiet time, working out, eating healthy, all of these things that are so good for us that many times are our goals to live a healthy, happy life. Where are you spending your time and how are you prioritizing that time? Because again, time is your most precious resource. It's something you're never going to get back. You can't get more of it. You only have an allotted amount. So how are you spending it? How are you giving yourself to the world? How are you giving yourself to your family, your spouse, your friends, yourself? Really cultivating how you're spending your time is going to change your priorities. Because if you're not happy with the priorities that you have now, put these into practice. Again, I challenge you for your 6th day to write a list with your top priorities. And you can put your top priorities on top and then the things that you need to get done and then the things that you'd like to get done. So remember, before you go out with a friend, before you browse on the internet for a half hour, make sure your priorities are taken care of for the day. And you keep doing this, keep this in place, it really can change your life and allow you to design the life that you want. Remember to hashtag Changemakers Challenge 2016 on Instagram and Facebook. And I will see you tomorrow for our 7th and final day of the challenge. Thank you so much for joining, signing off with so much love and gratitude. Ciao for now.